Oh, honey, it's like you've forgotten.
Baby, I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Like, I got distracted.
But you shouldn't. Maybe I should stop. We should stop doing this because you always want to take it far.
Babe, but look at you now. Have you seen the way you look? Have I not enjoyed all these years? I'm not going to just blow it up now. I've been trying. I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to sound that way. You see that you and I agreed before we got to this point. Can you imagine what it would look like on our honeymoon night?
Baby, I can't wait, I swear.
It will be explosive. Alright, come and see me home. I need to go home. Ramsey is home by himself.
After you. Baby, let's hurry up.
Where have you been?
I'm sorry, I didn't know you were going to wake up early. I went to see your Uncle Ferdinand.
Where is he? And why didn't he come with you?
He was going to come later this evening, but he asked me to give this to you.
I love it!
Let's go inside. Sorry. I need a check now. Why are you not eating?
I'm okay.
But you haven't eaten anything and it's time for you to take your medicine. Eh?
I'm okay. If I eat, I might vomit.
So what do we do now? You have to take your medicine, even if it's just a plantain. Let me bring out the medicine for you. Just eat small, yeah? Just very small. Before you want to vomit, you stop eating. Yeah? God, save this boy now. Save this young boy. How long is he going to be in this condition? This is getting tiring, you know. I'm getting tired. Every day, the same thing.
Babe.
Oh.
How are you now?
I'm good.
I got this for Ramsey.
Again?
Yeah, not a problem.
Honey, how long will you continue to worry yourself over us? You've done too much already.
It's fine. It's fine, baby. I mean, like, his well-being is your happiness. And when you're happy, I'm happy. How are you today?
Me, I am fine. It's just this ailment that is my only nightmare.
I know. But how is he faring?
It's not getting any better. It's like the drugs don't have any effect on him.
I just checked his temperature now and he's still burning up.
I noticed that too this morning.
Look, I think the best thing is to just get more drugs later this evening for him.
I just can't thank you enough.
Baby, stop, Joe. Do you want me to help you rinse it?
No, I want you to come and sit here with me. So how's work?
My car is still at the mechanic.
What is...
is it again? What did you do? Your tummy? Eh? Let me go and get water for you. I'm tired. Eh? Ramsey! 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 Oh, I beg who dead here? I beg when I come and carry him, I beg. I beg, help me. Help me. I beg, how can I go to hospital?
Ramsey, so I would like for you to stay here with me so I can monitor you closely. Yeah? I hope you don't mind.
No, I won't mind.
How will you know? You better stay here and not come back home. I almost had a heart attack today.
Why do women always want to shy away at the slightest occurrence? Like, you guys just run. Why?
You did not say how he acted this morning. That is why you're talking like this.
It's fine. Come here.
I don't even know why he's smiling now.
Why wouldn't he smile? He's with his big uncle now. Are you hungry? Yeah? Okay, I'll get something to eat now. Babe, I think it's high time we take Ramsey to a good specialist hospital so that a doctor can supervise his health and monitor him.
You're right. But how? Where do we find that kind of money? I don't have that kind of money, neither do you. And it's not been easy for you since you're in between jobs.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean I have some money, but I can't just fold my arms and watch the boy just die or something. Let's take him to a good hospital that can take care of him. Can't be that bad now.
Listen, you have been there for me like a brother and the father to Ramsey since our parents died. You have done way too much for us. I don't want to keep stuffing with my family problems. You have your own.
Look, you're not stuffing with anything. It's a fine, like, let's just do it. I'm not even having this conversation. We're going to the hospital tomorrow. I have some money on me. Let's get him a good doctor to just check him out and make sure and supervise his health. He needs constant supervision. Let's understand exactly what's going on. I'm not having this conversation again.
Come in, please. Come in, please make yourself comfortable. Have a seat. Yeah. So, you are Ramsey Jackson?
Yes, he's Ramsey.
Okay. Well, I'm Dr. Rex, head of surgery.
Well done.
We are here on behalf of Ramsey. He's been sick for a very long time.
Hey, poor lad. Ramsey, can you stand up? You know what, just come closer.
No! I don't want any injection!
Come on, I'm not trying to give you any injection. Look at my hands. I'm not holding any syringe. I just wanted to have a closer look at you. Is he always acting this much?
Actually, he prefers tablets to injections.
Yeah, I know. The funny thing is, almost everyone prefers tablets. A lot of adults are scared of injection. By the way, my apologies, madam. You haven't really introduced the mister. Is it family?
Ferdinand is my fiancé.
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you, Mr. Ferdinand. If you don't mind, I'll need you to excuse us. Just a little moment.
Yeah, but he's...
It's okay. I'll just wait outside. Sorry.
Madam, I'm sorry, but that's how we work, okay?
It's fine.
So I really do need to make some inquiries as to support my investigation, my findings. How long has he suffered from this ailment?
He was born with sickle cell, and our parents were not comfortable enough to take care of him, so he's been like this.
I see. Well, from the report presented, it's not only shows that he has been suffering from sickle cell, but there are other complications. But you know what? Our diagnosis will ascertain all of that. So, apart from Ramzan, is there any member of the family that is suffering from similar ailments? Any, history from his mom or dad?
No.
Okay. Did his mother give birth to him when she had gotten to menopause? I mean, how old was she?
Not at all.
Because some child disorders that we come across are usually caused by mistakes made by parents. At times, late childbirth. But it's okay, we'll find that out. For now, you can call in back your fiance. Welcome back, Mr. Ferdinand. My apologies, that's how we work here in this hospital. It's, strictly doctor-patient confidentiality.
It's all right. I totally understand.
So as for now, we do not know for sure what's wrong with Ramzan. The reason I'm saying this is because even though your doctors have given us some diagnosis, we still need to conduct ours in order to be sure and know the next step to take. But for now, I shall refer him to cardiology department, where they shall run a series of tests. And when the results are out, we'll pick it up from there.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Don't worry. Everything will be fine. You're welcome, young lady.
Thank you, Dr. Rice.
So the results of the test are out and inform our diagnosis. Our little man is suffering from congenital heart disease.
Actually, a few years ago, some doctors mentioned that to us.
And I also regret to inform you that your mother is the cause of this.
I don't understand.
Your mother was a drug addict. And during her pregnancy, she still maintained intoxicating herself with various substances. And all this part of the things that damaged Ramzan. And because you all didn't notice this early enough to report to an expert or go for proper medical checkup, the disease has spread to most part of his heart, resulting in a congenital heart disease.
You're right. My mother was a drug addict till her death. So what do we do now? What's the next thing for us to do?
Ma'am, the next step is surgery. Under normal circumstances, I will refer you to the accounting department where they will give you an overview of expected costs. But in order to save time, this sort of surgery, if done overseas, will require a lump sum of about 11.5 million naira. Don't be afraid. But if we do this for you here in this hospital, you can do it for a meager sum of, say, 2.5 million.
2.5?
Yes, that should be fair enough.
You are crying.
No, I'm not crying.
Don't lie to me. You are crying. Did the doctor say I'm going to die?
What's your problem? Why do you keep mentioning death? Huh? Reject it. I said you should reject it.
Fine, I reject it.
This should be the last time I'm going to hear you mention death in this house. Nobody's dying. Have you eaten?
Yes, I have. Unfortunately, I haven't thrown up.
Oh. Please don't drop again, eh? What are you drawing? He looks like a bird. Let me go and change my clothes. I went to see Dr. Rex today and we talked. And the results are out. And it's the same thing as usual. But then again, he mentioned something else.
What did he say?
See, Ferdinand, your family. And I don't think I should hide anything from you. She said my mother's recklessness was the cause of his ailment. And then now the illness has spread to all parts of his heart. And then the only way we can cure it is through surgery.
Hey.
And to do that surgery in his own hospital is like 2.5 million naira.
2.5 million? Where are we supposed to get that kind of money from? In this economy? Babe, I don't know. 2.5, where are we supposed to get 2.5 million? 2.5 million?
It's too much.
I think it's best that we just go back to his hospital, to his clinic or hospital, and then talk to him and see how we can maybe, to reduce the money now, because money is too much. Or we look for another option. 2.5 million. 2.5 million. Does he have 2.5 million? You know, you don't even help with them for mouth safe.
Like I said earlier, I really do not think any amount is too much to save a life.
Doctor, that's what I'm trying to say to you, because I don't know how else to say this. Doctor, we don't have the amount of money that you are saying, and we don't even know where to get it. So our question is there any other option available?
Listen, Ferdinand, this is an organization, okay? The money isn't going to anyone's personal pocket. Now, if it will make you feel any better, I have handled similar cases like this, some of them even worse than this. And believe you me when I say those patients are alive and healthy today. So whenever the money is ready, just come around, we'll book a surgery date. And don't forget, every single day that passes is bad for Ramsey. As a matter of fact, he barely has 1 month to live. If nothing is done about this, we could lose him.
Where are we supposed to now go and find this kind of money from?
That's the question I've been asking myself since.
Well, look, we'll try to get it. That's the only way. Yes, now.
How?
Babe, I don't know.
How do we raise such amount of money?
I don't know, but babe, look. We'll raise the money. We'll go raise them, don't worry. We'll raise the money, don't worry. We'll get them, don't worry.
I need water. Money plenty, oh. It's so cold outside, man. I've only been able to raise 50,000 naira in a few days. We're still not going to do anything.
You tried, though. Me, I've been able to raise 1 million.
Huh? Where did you get that kind of money from?
I sold the car now, my car, the one at the mechanic.
Why would you sell your car at that price because of us?
Baby, it's not a problem. Is it not better that I use the money from the car to save Ramsey's life? The car has been parked there for 6 months and I haven't been able to fix it. So what am I supposed to do? Ramsey is the most important person to deal with right now. I beg, it's better. Remember that 1 week out of the 4 weeks that Dr. Rex gave us has elapsed already. Let's sort that boy out, please. So we'll take it to him tomorrow and then we can at least ask him, beg him with it. I have some other monies here and there that I can add to it so it at least can get to 1.2. Well done, my brother. Stop, Joe. Stop. It's not a problem.
Dr. Rex, we were able to raise 1.2 out of the 2.5 million naira. That is what we're able to raise, and please help us.
I have told you before. This is an organization. This is not a charity hall. How do you expect that we pay our doctors or maintain the facilities that you see? Now, if we keep running this hospital based on sympathy, how then are we going to do anything meaningful or even save lives? I've told you this money isn't going to my personal pocket. You know what? I've had enough. I'm fed up. You can choose any other hospital around the corner. But do not forget that none of them are as professional as we are.
Doctor, wait, no, what we're trying to explain to you is that we have raised 1.2 million naira. Do you understand? And we are even willing to make it up to 1.5. All we are asking you is help us save this innocent boy's life. This boy hasn't done anything, so we need you to help us save his life.
Oh my God, I am tired of being lenient. Brother.
I don't agree with you, sir. If there's anybody I could trust Ramson's life with, is Ferdinand.
All right. Really? Okay, let's leave that aside. So, now that you're back, what do you really want me to do for you? I mean, when is the money going to be ready?
That's why I came back. First of all, I want to apologize for what happened earlier. I'm really, really sorry. I'm very sorry about that. Just forgive our manners. I came back so that we can talk about how to help my brother. Please.
You see, I am in control of cardiology and surgery department in this hospital. As a matter of fact, they will do anything I ask them to, including a free surgery. All I have to do is use my position to stand as surety for you. And then maybe we can save the boy. But only on one condition.
Which is?
You're a very beautiful woman. Any man will die to have you. The moment I set my eyes on you, I've always wanted you. I advise you use what you have to get what you need. Just one night with you, and we can save the boy.
You want to sleep with me because I asked you to save my brother.
That's exactly what I just said. Come on. You're a beautiful woman, and I want you. So, you save him. What do you say?
What you ask of me is way too much for me to do. I can't do it.
No, it's not. It's very possible. This can be our own little secret. No one has to know. Beulah, the clock's ticking. We need to save the boy. Beulah.
How can I sleep with a man I know nothing about? How can a stranger come from nowhere and take my pride just like that? God, please help me. I have never been this devastated in my entire life. And if I decide to do this secretly, Ferdinand must surely find out. And if he does, what will be my story? Please, somebody tell me this is a dream. God. What is going on? This little boy has been up and doing a few days ago. How come he's now becoming worse by the day? Looking sicker and weaker. He's been lying down like this for the past few days. Is there still hope for us like this?
What?
There's something that happened at the hospital that has been on my mind. I just wanted to let it out.
What's up, what happened?
It's Dr. Rex. He said he wants to assist us.
Baby, that's great news now. Like, that's good news, right? Why is your countenance still long? That's great.
Well, he said he wants to sleep with me first.
I don't understand. Is he serious? Like, is he mad? Like, I don't understand. Is he being, like, is he crazy? So because we're asking for assistance, he now wants to take advantage of my woman. What kind of rubbish? What did I do to that guy? What's his problem, really? But that guy don't make me vessel. What we can know, is he being serious? Because of 2.5 million. So if it was Ferdinand of 2 years ago, what is 2.5 million that I cannot bring out and help Ramsey's life or save Ramsey's life? But that guy don't make me wait for that for road. Oh. I make him not try me. What did he say with his mouth? He's mad. Man, no catch him. If I see that guy for road, I will beat him. Oh. What did you now say to him?
What are you expected to hear? Come on, honey. Of course you know in sickness and in health, nobody's touching this body. All of this for you?
They shouldn't touch it, though.
You can't touch it.
I've waited, though. They shouldn't touch it. But that guy, they try me, oh.
Ramsey, what is it?
My chest!
What is wrong with your chest?
My chest! I can't breathe!
What's it? Okay, come, let's go. Let me back. Ramsey, by this time of night.
Babe.
Oh, welcome.
How is he?
As you can see, we did not get a wink of sleep last night.
What happened again?
At exactly 12 midnight, he started shouting, my chest. He couldn't breathe. I tried to call you, your phone didn't go through. I didn't have a choice but to rush him to a Pampa Medical Center. Halfway there, he started vomiting. Throwing up, vomiting blood. It's only the grace of God that we did not lose this boy yesterday.
God forbid. He's not going anywhere. Ramsey, how are you?
I'm fine.
Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine. Just take it easy.
Could what the doctor said about him leaving for a month be true? This is just 2 weeks and it seems like he's going to die in the next minute. His ailment is getting worse every minute of the day. Piola, what are you still doing? It's just 2 weeks ago and you're still here acting like you don't know what to do. Do you want to wait until your only surviving family member gives up the ghost? Piola, don't mind Dr. Rex. Ramsey will not die. How can you allow a stranger defile you and then take away your pride and dignity after all these years of Ferdinand being there for you and your family? That is just sheer wickedness. Who taught you his wickedness? Now ask yourself, after risking your brother's life in all the name of pleasing your fiancé and your brother gives up, what becomes your fate? What would you have people say about your ignorance and stupidity? And also, how certain are you that Ferdinand will even end up with you at last? Have you forgotten that men are worse than chameleons? What if he finally leaves you for another lady? Look, my friend, go and save your little brother with what you have and get rest of mind. Remember, the life of your only brother lies in your hand this time, and only you has the key to his life.
Yeah. And that's what I'm saying to you now. Yeah, come in. Yeah, that's... You know what? Just hold that thought. I'll call you back. I beg.
Who was that?
It's my friend. What's wrong with you? How's Ramsey?
I really can't watch my only surviving family member die right in front of me. So if sleeping with Dr. Rex is the only option, then it is.
What did you just say? Did you just say if sleeping with Dr. Rex is the only option, then so be it? Is that what you just said to me? Beulah, are you being serious? Like, after all we've been through, I have waited for 5 years. I didn't defile you, I didn't touch you. And then you just want to give it to a random guy because you need help? Or we need help? Ramsey is a son or is a brother to me. I've loved him like that all this time. So why do you want to just throw everything that we've worked for all away?
Enough! You go about doing your thing. All your daily activities in peace. You sleep and wake up and you do everything. While I'm the one who's suffering from loss of appetite, anxiety, loss of sleep. He's the only thing that matters to me right now. So
listen,
I have to help him.
If you make that decision, just understand that it is over between us. And I am being honest with you.
Are you for real?
Yes, I am being very real.
You'll break up with me because of that?
What am I supposed to do? After 5 years, after everything that we've been through together, you're telling me that you want to go and it's an option.
You know you're being inconsiderate right now.
I'm being inconsiderate.
Yes. If this is what is going to help my younger brother, then I will do it.
Yeah, so come on in. So yeah, just bring everything to my desk, okay? And no problem, I'll get it solved. All right.
I'm back.
And so what?
Look at the prostitute. Do you know that you're a whore? Do you know that? Ashewo. Look at you. So you slept with him, Abi? Beulah, you followed your Dr. Rex. I followed you people and I saw people go into the hotel. So I know that there's no way he did not have his way with you. You know you're an ingrate.
Enough. What is it?
Okay, so you're not shouting at me. Okay, you're raising your voice at me now because you now sleep around with doctors. Mark my words, you will regret this thing that you have done.
Me regret it. What's happened? Look, don't even come here and add to my problems. You of all people should be the least of my problem. But you kick against the only option that you have to save the boy that you claim that you love. Why? Because of your own selfish interests? So you've been pretending the whole time. Do you want me to...
So after all these years like this, so 5 years just wasted. She followed that guy. Stranger, like a random stranger. But this thing pay me, boy, let me say, like, Ferdinand, me, because of 2.5 million. Babe, I just didn't manage. I never even, I wasn't even thinking of sleeping. Like, yes, I wanted her so bad. But for 5 years, I preserved it, cherished it, didn't want to eat it, the fruit. So that at least when we get married, everything I can now, then she went to give it to a stranger. Then she just go give doctor. Beulah. No, this one pay me, I don't lie. I mean, a prank. I bet she didn't want, like, hey, God. She followed the guy, she follow him. She go, hey, she follow him. Beulah 1, Ferdinand 0.
What is it, Ramsey?
It's Uncle Ferdinand. I've not seen him for the past 3 days.
He went to his village to see his people. He'll be back soon.
How soon? And why didn't he carry me along when he traveled?
He went to do something important now. You'll be back soon, that's what he said.
He better be. I really miss him. I can't wait to see him.
Eat your food.
Come in. Yeah, come in, young lady.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm looking for Dr. Rex. He usually occupies this office, but from the inscription outside, it's carrying a different name.
Well, I'm the new doctor here. Probably they must have referred you here because I and Dr. Rex serve the same purpose. Please, you look worried. Sit down.
I'm fine. I'm fine. It's just that I was hoping to see Dr. Rex.
I am Dr. Adams, the new head of cardiology and surgery department.
Okay. I'm Buella, and my younger brother Ramson, who is Dr. Rex's patient.
Your brother is not on my list of patients I want to see. But because of the commotion you were causing out there, I have to allow you in.
Pardon me, sir. I'm very sorry. Where's Dr. Rex?
Dr. Rex has been transferred to our office in Ghana. His transfer
Madam!
Jesus, what is this?
Nothing will help if we go.
help me save this boy. Look at him. He's the only family I have. We are orphans.
Young lady, I understand what you're saying clearly, but we don't run a charity home here. I'm under an organization. We have procedures on how we do things here, and I can't do otherwise.
Oh, how do I find Dr. Rex?
Dr. Rex, I don't have his Ghana contact. Neither do I know anybody in Ghana who can help me get his contact. The only people who can help us reach out to him is the hospital management. And you know, of course, I can't involve the hospital management on this because it's going to risk his career and his profession. So I see anything you people did as illegal, and it's like a propendum to our oppression.
I beg you. Please help us.
Madam, I'm very sorry.
Look at him.
Madam,
he's a young boy.
Madam, I'm truly sorry. I can't really do anything right
please.
now.
I beg you.
Madam,
I know you can help me.
I understand.
Look, he's just a little boy. You let him die.
If I was in a position to do anything, I would do for you. You understand? I would.
Look at him.
Please.
Look at him.
I know, but I can't really do anything right now. I'm very sorry, please.
We're begging you, sir.
I know, please. I can't
please,
just,
sir.
I can't.
Please, I'm sure you can do something.
No, I can't put my career at stake, please.
Had I known, I would have listened to Ferdinand. Now I'm going to end up losing everything. Ramsey, what is this again? Have I not tried? I'm getting frustrated every day. Kill this boy now. Or do you want to Kukuma just take our lives together? I'm tired. Sorry.
Hi, handsome. Can I join you? Well, I've been watching you from across my table over there, and I noticed since you walked in, you've been looking depressed. So I decided to come join you and ask you what the problem is. Like they say, a problem shared is a problem solved.
First of all, I don't want to share any of my problems with you because you're a stranger. I don't know who you are and I don't want to talk about it.
You never can tell. I may be of help.
I didn't ask for your help. Like I said, I don't want to talk about it. Do you know that women are the major problems that we have in this society? Do you know that women are the reason, like they are the causes of the major problems we have in the world? Women are terrible creatures, like I'm being honest with you. Like, fear women. Oh.
Well, from the look of things, it seems you just have a broken relationship.
I don't want to talk about it.
Okay.
Look. I'm sorry. I came out too harsh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about it.
It's fine. It's nothing.
You didn't tell me your name.
Sorry. I'm Beyonce. And you?
Ferdinand.
Ferdinand. What a cute name. For a cute guy.
Well, that's my house.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You have my contact, right?
Yeah, I do, of course.
So you can give me a call anytime. Sure. I'll come by the office. When you're free.
Of course, I'll call you. I'll come when I can.
Okay.
All right. Take care. Drive safe. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome to my house. Please sit down.
You have such a lovely place.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
This is my space. This is where I've been managing since I lost my job, lost my 5-year relationship, all the emotional trauma, drama. This is my safe space. What can I offer you?
Actually nothing. I'm good.
No, come on. Beyonce, you're coming to my house for the first time. There's no way I'm not going to offer you something.
Fine. I'll take something so you're not going to use it against me that I didn't take anything. I'll have water.
Okay. 1 second. Here.
Oh, thank you.
I'm just going to open it. So, as I was saying, this is my space. It's been tough. It's been very tough. Emotionally. 5 years down the drain.
Wow. Like I always told you, I don't blame her. Just imagine you being in her shoe. I'm sure you do worse than this.
Can we just talk about something else?
No, I'm sorry. I never meant to hurt you.
It's fine. It's okay. So, are you in a relationship? Like, do you have a boyfriend, a fiance? Are you engaged or anything like that?
Well, none of the above. For now.
For now.
Well, when it comes to dating, men are eager to date rich ladies like us. They feel it's going to save them costs. But marriage that's a different ballgame entirely. Men are not willing to marry a rich lady because they feel she's not going to be submissive.
Okay.
Well, that has been my issue. I've never really held a long relationship. They walk out of my life, and sometimes I don't even go out with my car. That's how bad it is.
Wow.
Yeah, I just go out like every other regular good lady out there. I'm sure this has been because they're scared of my wealth, so I don't want to scare them away.
I get that. I understand. I mean, women, we like respect and we like submissiveness, when the woman submits. So just out of curiosity, I just want to find out, do you have a problem with authority? Like, are you authoritative?
Oh, no. No, not at all. I'm not. I'm just like every other good lady out there.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, but let's talk about you. What are you just gonna continue to sit at home and spend the little money that you saved? Aren't you gonna look for something to do?
Well, to be honest, man, I've been thinking about it.
What do you want to do? What business?
I want to do fashion business. I want to make clothes for men and women, ready-made clothes and clothes that I make myself or with my team from scratch. So for both men and women.
You mean boutique?
Exactly, like a boutique, yes, where I sell unisex clothing. Yeah.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
So you can find out the estimates, the exact amount that you need to start. So we can pick it up from there.
What? Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Beyonce, thank you so much, man.
It's nothing. Just get the total estimate you need to start the business. Then I can help you.
Ow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do it again in my life. Open my eyes to see Jesus. Who is seated upon the throne. Father, in the name of Jesus, I come before you this evening again. I bring myself before you. I'm helpless. I bring my brother before you. I say, God, please. You're the only hope we have. Please. He's my brother today, Lord. You said when you say the mark of the Lamb, you will pass over. I mark him with the blood of the Lamb, Lord. I said that no illness shall take him away from me. I cover him with the blood of Jesus. You said we should ask and you shall give us. I ask for divine healing upon him.
Get a few of his things. Get his hospital card. Come and meet us at the hospital.
You guys are really lucky. I'm not a religious person, but I want to believe that God's hand was involved. Yes, because the little boy almost passed on before you brought him here. God actually saved him.
How is he now, doctor?
He's getting better, and you know, he was very, very weak when you brought him. You know, I have to give him some medications to resuscitate him so that he can go back to normalcy. And that was able to help him withstand the surgery. In another few hours, he should be better.
Well done, doctor.
Thank you very much.
To be honest, I have some appointments that I need to run. So I have to go. The balance is 500,000, is it not? Okay, so I will make the payment tomorrow when I come. She would have to stay with Ramsey. Whatever it is you need to talk to me about, you can talk to her and then she will convey it to me.
Oh, okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Dr.
very
Adams.
much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.
All right. Have a great day.
All right.
All right.
Why is Uncle Ferdinand not here yet?
He'll be here soon. He called when he was sleeping.
Uncle Ferdinand!
How you doing, boy?
I'm fine.
You're good? I can see that you're looking better. I brought a little more stuff for you, so enjoy. Make sure that, don't worry about it. Make sure that you eat well, take your drugs. But I have to run back to my plaza to work. I just came to say hi to you and see how you're faring. And I'm happy that you're doing better, but I'll come back later in the evening to see you.
Okay, but promise to come back.
I will come back. I'll come back. Yeah? You're looking good. Well done.
Ferdinand. Look, I'm sorry.
This is not the place, not time.
I've known for a long time that you and Uncle Ferdinand went through good times, even though you tried to hide it from me. So tell me, what was your offense and why did you offend him?
Why don't you sleep first? Rest. Okay? We'll talk about it later.
You're coming. Hi, Ramsey. Ramsey, how are you now? How is it going?
I'm fine.
Well done. What are you doing?
I just wanted to say thank you for helping me. I know I'll be alive to pay you back and take care of your children.
Understand it. It's fine. It's okay, man. Like, God is the one who saved you. I was just a vessel. Okay, sit down. Why are you standing? Sit down now. Come and sit with me. Come sit here. How are you? How's everything with you?
Ferdinand, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I was overwhelmed with the situation that I was in. But believe me right now, I regret it. I regret it.
Biola, first of all, you need to stand up because you're embarrassing me. Whatever happened between us is in the past. Everything that happened, I have put behind me. So I suggest you move on with your life the way I have moved on with mine. I have nothing against you. Ramsey, I'll be back. Let me get to my room.
Okay.
Ramsey, do you want a drink? Okay, I'll get you some biscuits.
I wish you would find a place in your heart to forgive me. I know I broke my vows and promises to you. I betrayed you. I pray you forgive me because it was not my fault. I thought it was the only way to save my little brother. I never knew things would turn around.
Yeah, come in. What are you doing here?
Ferdinand, see. See, listen. Really, I thought I could live my life without you, but it's impossible. See, inside of me, I feel so disgusted. Like, I feel like shame is eating me up. I feel empty without you. Ferdinand, please forgive me. Please.
Babe.
What's going on?
It's nothing. This is Biola, my ex, the one I told you about. Please sit.
Oh.
Yeah.
Biola, right?
Yeah. Biola, you need to stand up first of all. I don't like it when you come and you're kneeling down. The truth is I actually have moved on with my life. All right, and I think you should do the same. But before you go, there are a few things I would like to talk to you about. No man can take the place of God. It's only God who is willing and able to do exceedingly abundantly more than we can think or imagine. No man can do that. Most men will be willing, they will not be able. Or they can be able, and they will not be willing. And most times there's always something underneath. There's always something that you have to do to get the blessing from the man or get the thing from the man. Where's Dr. Rex now? Where's Dr. Rex that you had to go, like you threw a 5-year relationship in my face? After everything that we had been through, everything that we had invested in our relationship for 5 years, you were willing to let it burn just to get with, look, I'm over it, and I hope that you do the same. That's it.
I have learned some lessons in life. I just hope some people can learn from it too. It was nice to meet you.
I don't know why she keeps doing that.
It's okay.
Mr. Beulah, why are you doing this to me now? You always said I should be strong. Today is you now.
I don't know what's wrong with my body. It started some weeks ago. I just thought it was the trauma of what was happening. Now it's getting worse. I know it's getting worse. It's getting worse. I don't know what's wrong with me.
Uncle Ferdinand!
Ramsey, what's going on?
My sister is dying!
What happened to her?
I don't know, she's sick, she's dying, please help me!
Ramsey, how am I sure she's not just trying to get my attention?
She's not dying, she's sick! Please, come and save her! Please!
Just listen to him.
Please!
Ramsey, please let me get my car keys. Ramsey, stand up. Come and see her.
Please come and save her!
She's fine, we'll go and see her now. Let's go outside. She'll bring the keys downstairs.
How?
How long has she been like this?
She has been like this for days.
Go and pack some of her things. I'll take her to the hospital. I'm going to take you to the hospital now, okay? Go to the hospital. Come, join us. That's fast. Doctor, how is she?
Mr. Ferdinand, I would like to speak with you privately.
It's okay, baby. We'll wait for you outside, okay?
Alright. Doc, I hope there's no problem.
Well, with the symptoms and signs we saw earlier on, we thought it was going to be an acute malaria typhoid, but we have to run a series of tests, and we now notice that she is HIV positive.
Ferdinand, you have to forgive me. You have to find it in your heart to forgive me. Because I know I failed you. and it has never stopped tormenting my soul. I'm so sorry. Fiancé, thank you. Thank you so much. Even though we don't really know each other that much, thank you for taking care of him for me. Thank you. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I just want you to promise me that you'll be strong in everything you do. Okay? And remember that I love you.
It's okay.
Please help me take care of him. Help me take care of him. He's my only hope. I don't know if I'm going to survive this ailment.
You will. You will.
Just God to forgive.
You will. You will. Bill, you will.
You will survive it. You're going to take care of yourself, okay?
You will. You should lie down, rest your back. It's fine. I forgive you. I forgive everything that has happened. I wish there was a way I could take this disease off your body. I'm willing to pay whatever it is. As for Ramsey is like a son and a brother to me. He's in safe hands. We'll take care of him while you try to get better. We need you to get better. You will get better.
Yes.
You will. It's alright. It's alright.
Fine.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, come in.
Whoa! Dr. Rex!
Adam!
You're welcome! Oh, God. Ghana is really treating you well.
Oh, well, yeah, I know.
Well, please, sit down.
Thank you very much. And you are not looking bad yourself.
All right, brother.
Look at you.
Wow, so how is the Ghana management?
Ghana's doing well. Things are done quite simple. Well, aside the fact that it was a little bit tough adapting to the entire Ghana system, but hey, you know me, I do my thing. I just did my best, and you know. But what about you, though? How are you coping with the management over here?
Well, I've been trying my best. You know, our department is just like the head of department in medicine, and coupled with the stress and so on. You know, but we are trying our best. Rex, that reminds me. There was a case of a young lady after you got transferred to Ghana. Her name is Beulah.
Oh, Beulah Jackson. She must have felt really betrayed. I mean, there was little or nothing I could do. Oh well, it's sort of a long story now. I just hope I could locate her again. And the little boy, who knows if he's still alive?
Sure, he is alive and healthy. I personally took care of his case. A young man came and paid his bill.
Okay.
Rex, you are very lucky. I didn't allow her to gain access to the management. You would have tarnished or ridiculed your image and probably get dismissed from this organization. But I have to do everything to protect you. Even though you risked your job and the life of the little boy.
Adams, thank you very much, my good friend.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You know, but It wasn't entirely my fault. The transfer came as a matter of urgency. I just had to eat. Do you know how I can find them?
That young lady has been very sick and has been admitted in this hospital for a few weeks now. Her case is getting bad every day. It's just resulting from the high blood pressure. That's it.
Hold on a second. Did you just say she's in this hospital?
Yeah, she is in this hospital.
Can I see her?
Sure, sure. You can. You can. Okay.
No, please take him away from here. He's a monster.
Go, calm down. Look at you see how you've ruined this girl's life. You are a wolf in sheep clothing.
I'm sorry.
What do you want to explain? God gave you talent to you to save life, but you have used it to ruin this poor girl's life.
Mr. Ferdinand, you have to really calm down, okay? Please calm down. You know, this is a hospital and we have other patients in other wards and they may be disturbed with this noise. Please, okay?
Get out with your sorry!
I'm so remorseful about this. Please believe me, I'm sorry.
Please just take him away from me. Take this man away from me.
Doctor, can you take this idiot out of this place?
Yeah. Yola, I'm very sorry for the inconveniences. Mr. Ferdinand, I'm sorry as well. Okay?
I have made necessary plans for Beulah to be flown to Ghana for immediate medical attention. A friend of mine, an Israeli medical expert, one of the best doctors in Ghana, and also has one of the best hospitals in Ghana, who also has a wide recognition for his management of HIV/AIDS patients. He has a high success rate in which I am a living evidence.
How long could she live with the disease?
For as long as she is destined to live on Earth. As a matter of fact, she can actually live happier and healthier than most persons living without the disease, as long as she religiously maintains her medication.
But there's news that those that have the disease don't live for so long.
No. That's a fallacy. The more we advance in age, the deeper we go in knowledge. With the recent science, technology, and research, new medications are being created and invented on a daily in order to combat the HIV and AIDS. As we speak, many are living with HIV and AIDS for a lifetime. All they have to do is stick to their medication. HIV and AIDS is not a death sentence. Neither should it be a nightmare.
Dr. Rex is very correct. HIV is never a dead end. The problem with HIV patients is late discovery and management, which is just like the case of Beulah, who had the signs and symptoms and couldn't speak out until after some months. I want to believe with the proper treatment, she will be strong again. Dr. Rex, the management asked me to hand over this letter to you
You can open it. A termination letter?
I'm very sorry for any inconveniences this may cost you. It's from the management. I'm sorry, Rex. I'm sorry.
Yeah, who's there? Come in. Oh, yes, she.
I missed you. Hi. Hi.
You look so good.
Thank you.
Please sit down.
Thank you. I missed you. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. You guys have been great. I need to thank you all for all your prayers and your support. And let's not even talk about the financial support. You guys are awesome. And thank you for taking care of my boy.
Look, all of that wouldn't have been possible without you.
She's indeed a great woman.
Yes.
I feel flattered.
Thank you.
Thanks to my wonderful husband.
I came with a lot of stuff and the whole house is stuffy. I'm just trying to put things together.
Oh, okay.
So that's why I couldn't come on time.
Sure, it's okay. It's okay.
But you go pick your things and then let's go home, right?
I thought you said you have some things you want to settle. You can pick them up tomorrow. Come on.
Yeah, Ramsey can stay till tomorrow.
House.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Not a problem. Not a problem.
I appreciate it. Did you miss me?
Yes,
I missed you too. I missed him so much.
Like he's all grown now.
I know, I can tell he's almost taller than me. All right, so I have to go now. I wanted to pick him up, but let me go continue.
Yeah, tomorrow. You can come and pick him up tomorrow.
I will.
Yeah?
I will.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right now.
Bye.
That's amazing. Yeah, she's looking very healthy.
Yeah.
Thank you, babe.